In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and filter on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This has the 3.6 liter engine and the filter is going to be located under the hood. Let's get into it. With the vehicle raised up in the air, you can locate where the oil drain plug is under this cover. We're going to use a 13mm socket. Take this bolt out, and using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. This cover tips down. Using a 13mm socket, loosen up the drain plug. And make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. I'll pull the plug out. And let the oil drain. The seal on the drain plug is part of the drain plug, so if it looks like it needs to be replaced, you're gonna have to replace the whole drain plug. This one looks okay. Now all the oil's drained out. Get that started. I will torque this to 26 foot-pounds. Good. And just take a rag and just wipe off any excess oil. That's good. I'll close this door. Get the bolts started. Snug those down. We're going to remove this cap right here in the center to access the oil filter. Just grab it, twist it to the left, pull it out. Using a 24mm socket, we're going to take the oil filter housing cover off. Just slide down in there and twist it to the left. Loosen that up. Going to use a rag just so I don't drip too much oil. Just pull it out. Trying to not drip too much oil. There it is. Take the old filter, pop it off the cover, just like that. I'll take the O-ring off. Just use a pick, pop that off, take the new O-ring, and just get it around. Make sure you put it in the same groove that it came out of, right there. Just take some clean engine oil, put it on the O-ring. That's good. Take the filter, line it up, push it down. There's an O-ring right here. Put a little clean oil on that. That's good. Yeah, take the filter. Just get it in there. Pipe gets in the way a little bit. There we go. Just kind of falls in place. Get it started by hand. I'll torque this to 18 foot-pounds. That's good. Take the cap, put it on, twist it to the left. Now take the fill cap off, twist that to the left. You can see it tells what type of oil to use. We're going to use 0W20. Put a oil funnel right there. And this vehicle with the 3.6 liter engine requires 5 quarts of oil. So we'll put 5 quarts of oil in it and check it. We put 5 quarts in. Now take the funnel out. Put the cap on. Twist that on. Now we're going to start the vehicle for about 15 seconds. And then shut the vehicle off. Now grab the dipstick, pull it out. Just going to wipe it with a rag. Get that clean. Reinsert the dipstick. And pull it out again. And you want it in between the hash marks. You can see where there's 2 little divots. About 3/4 of the way up, which is where it is. So that's good. Now we're going to show you how to reset the oil life. You want to turn the key to the on position, push the button without pushing on the brake, and wait till the menu comes up. Then we're going to scroll through with the arrows on the side. We want to go to where it says fuel economy and just go to the side, and then you get to this screen where it says OK to reset. So you're going to hold the OK, and then it's going to go to 100%, let go, and you're all set. And you can scroll out of there.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.